Alright guys, there's day and time to Garden Furnace 620. We're going to take a ride in the elevators at 200 South Michigan in Chicago, Illinois. It might be the service elevator, cool.
Yes, it's padded.
Oh, nice.
I'm not saying anything.
I can slam myself into the wall. Are we alright?
Is that really original? Wow.
Pretty cool.
Oh no.
Is that even all the way up? Traction.
No.
It'd be a really big hydrant, really tall hydrant.
Yeah. Shakes back and forth when going up.
What's so funny?
Oh, this is a song from Drake.
Yep. It's a good listen.
Oh, yeah.
Is it just all the way back? I was just walking flat.
Here we are.
Whoa, I don't know.
So here are your pictures of our Innovation Bruiser.
To your left.
So yeah, so these elevators are here, and that must be a service.
And we do periodically.
Westinghouse probably.
Now we're gonna, I guess. Oh wow, look at all these like paintings and stuff.
10:35, I believe.
Guys, so now that we rode up,
And now we're
gonna ride back down. Oh look!
No, you're pressing the alarm button.
And this elevator just went into nudge mode.
Oh, the alarm button.
Just went. No, the doors have been held open too long. That's why it's buzzing.
accidentally pressed the alarm, by the way.
Yeah, that's.
I saw.
Oh yeah, and also look at that painting. Look at that like cab.
I don't think it's a painting. It's not.
Look at that koala sign back there. I like it.
Very realistic.
It's very realistic.
Yeah, it looks like trees like the winter. No, we're at 18.
We're going to the cliff dweller thing, but maybe you have to go down.
Alright, yeah. Oh jeez. Yeah, I just but yeah.
So this is how sardines feel.
This is like roomy compared to the morning alchemy out sitting on someone's head.
We're an express
Blue
zone.
line at Monday morning at 7
Oh, yeah.
Red
I think the other
line,
one
yeah.
Oh my god, my ear.
I think the other one road was a service that serves all floors.
Pee-pee smell.
That looks like
Right.
yeah.
It's kind of like feeling in the airplane, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And wow, look at that indicator in the header.
Anyway,
Or a lantern or whatever.
there's an elevator interlock.
Yep. And this is our 2W. So now we're going to watch this close up. There it goes. And that's it.